G'day guys, Rob Vickery here from the Horsepower Factory. Like most Victorians, I've been in lockdown up until the last couple of weeks. For 5 or 6 weeks we're in lockdown, and as they say, out of every positive there's a out of every negative. I'll start again, eh? As they say, from every negative there's a positive. Now for me, being in lockdown, we did a social media thing called Throwback Thursdays, and it gave me an opportunity to go back through all my old photos and footage, and it just got me thinking, and I sort of got the bug again really to get back into the ute behind me here, TTV8, which is where it all started for me. And so as soon as we could come back to work, I've had it in storage here for I think more than 15 years. Pulled the covers off, dusted it down. As you can see behind me, it's not in the best state, no engine, no gearbox, needs a lot of love and attention, but that's okay, I'm up for it. For those who don't know, the car's a VS Ute 1997, which I actually bought brand new in 1997, so I've owned it since new. The old girl's, as I said, has been in storage for probably 15 years now, so it's time to get it going. What we're going to do over the next few months of putting it back together again is just give you an update every week or a couple of weeks as we do things, keep you in the loop. If anyone's got any footage or photos of the ute back in the day, I'd love to see it. For me, I want this to be a bit of a journey. I've got a 15-year-old son now who is pretty keen to go cruising with me, so that's an added bit of motivation, and I'm certainly going to get his hands dirty and get him working on the car. My commitment to this audience here is to get it going, so I'm looking forward to all those trials and tribulations and hopefully sharing them with you. If you like the video and you want to see how the build's progressing, click on the subscribe button and get notified when a new video is released. Also, head over to Facebook, where we've got nearly 20,000 followers, to get all the latest news on what's happening at the Horsepower Factory. Thanks for watching.